Alright guys, if you guys watched the last video, you guys know that we just figured out what was on that cassette tape. It gave us coordinates which led us here to this abandoned, crazy town. But we think the person that left us that secret message on the cassette tape is here, and we're gonna try and help them. We are here at Mentryville. It's a really old town, established in 1876.
It says welcome, but it doesn't look very welcoming here.
This gate is completely locked.
There's a lock right here. Oh, V, remember we found those keys in that treasure chest? Why don't we try those keys here?
Yeah, I did bring them with me. Do you wanna try it here?
Oop, oh, whoa, it goes in, check this out. Okay, nope, that doesn't turn. Oh, it went all the way in there. Let me try this other one here. Nope, that one doesn't fit in there. I think we're gonna have to jump the fence. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you want us to jump the fence and go into this abandoned town. They're giving us a lot of thumbs up, V. I guess they want us to jump the fence.
You should do it.
All right, watch out.
You guys, one of the many benefits of being small is that I can just walk right through it.
You can walk through it? Oh,
yeah.
Crawl through it, I see. I thought you were gonna like go through it like Invisible Girl.
Look at this barn right here. It's huge, but what I noticed right away is that look at that window up there. Like it's broken. Like someone was trying to break in already. I think we should try and see what's in there. Maybe the person we're looking for, it's in there.
Oh, there's so many bugs all over here.
What is this right here, Chad?
It's a horse saddle, I think.
Oh, it looks so old. Do you think it's from 1876?
Maybe this is like a lever, and if you ride it, it'll open up the barn. Whoa, you hear that? I heard something. I don't see any doors opening.
There's a lock though.
Yeah, there's a locked door. Padlock though, combination. Bunch of numbers here. Okay, I guess we'll have to keep our eye out for any numbers that we come across here.
Yeah. What was the year again? It was like 1876.
1876?
I'm just gonna try it real
that.
quick. Okay, so this is upside down. So I'm gonna try 18, 1, 8, 7,
1876.
No.
Be another number. If you guys see any clues with numbers, leave a comment down below and we'll come back and try that here.
Oh, that's weird.
That's very weird.
HP.
It says HP on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know what this is.
What is this thing? Is it like a fire hydrant or something? Whoa, look at this. It says Jones right there.
Remember in the cassette, Chad? It says J.
This is J. Were they saying this is Jones?
Jones?
That's a name that starts with a J.
Could that be the hacker or?
Is this where the person who left the cassette lives?
Maybe it's their first name. We don't know any Jones though.
Or last name Jones. Huh, this could be a clue. Okay, Jones.
Keep that in mind, you guys. We'll continue on and see what else we can find. Gosh, there's another barn. I think it's a rooster barn?
Look at this, yeah. Roosters must live in here or something?
I hope the person we're looking for is in here.
When I open this door, let's see if a bunch of roosters fly out. Empty. Should have known it was abandoned just like everything else around here. It's really dark in here.
Oh, super dark.
What is in here? Let's see, looking for clues.
This is like a chicken coop, I think.
It's really dusty.
No chickens out there?
No chickens. No roosters. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in here, so I think
Oh, jeez!
Jeez, V.
Gosh, what is this thing?
It's a trash can lid, or oh, maybe this leads to like a secret hatch. Ooh, I wonder what's under here. Let's see. Whoa! It's rocks, and they spell HP. Leave a comment down below if you think you know what HP means. What do you think HP means?
Harry Potter? That's the first thing that came to my mind. Do you think this is the initials of the hacker?
Maybe the hacker's name is like Harry or Henry.
Gosh, I feel like I've seen this HP before. Like didn't we just see? Do you guys remember that?
On that Jones thing out there, I think that said HP on it.
Did it?
So why would there be an HP here? I think we should go check that out again.
Oh my gosh, let's go.
Let's see.
Jones.
Yeah, right here. It says
Where?
HP. There's an HP right here on this. So this must be some sort of clue or something. Whoever wrote that in the shed must have wanted us to find this right here. This HP. Wait.
Is this? Wait.
Do you hear that? There's a dog barking somewhere. There's a dog here somewhere. I hear it barking, but I don't see it.
Where is it?
Oh, should we hide? Is someone gonna find us here?
Okay, you guys, this thing twists here. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh!
Whoa, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
There's a note in here. It says, my beard is getting long. If you have a razor, bring it to the abandoned house.
Who would have written this?
Someone with a beard. Gosh, who do we know that has a beard?
Guys, leave a comment down below if you think you know someone that we know who has a beard.
I I feel like there's a ton of abandoned houses over here, so we gotta find the exact one this person's in. It's kind of exciting because we know at least they're here, so we can actually save them now.
Do we have a razor?
No, we don't have a razor. I don't shave.
I did not bring a razor with me. I should have thought of that.
Let's just hurry up.
All right, let's go. It's our lucky day, a Pepsi machine. This video is not sponsored by Pepsi, by the way. We seriously just found this right here.
Do you think there's anything in it?
It actually looks like it's totally broken. Then here's the dollar slot. It's completely broken. But wait, this town is from the 1800s. They didn't have Pepsi machines back then. This must be newer.
It felt like no one's used this for a very long time. I wonder if there's any clues in this thing.
Oh, careful, there might be glass.
Oh my gosh!
I'm just kidding, V. It's too easy to scare you, V.
I want to leave now. Wait, what? Is this a clue right here? Pack 612.
Huh.
Den 3.
612. It's a phone number from Minnesota.
Because we're both from Minnesota.
Gosh, it must be someone we know who's leaving all these notes and clues and who's living here, maybe?
Okay, I'm gonna write that down.
We'll keep exploring, looking for more clues.
All right, guys, we just got into this house here. It's huge. It doesn't look abandoned. So we're gonna see who lives in there right now.
Yeah, it looks freshly painted. There might be someone living here. I don't know.
Maybe we should be a little quiet or something.
Yeah.
Maybe the hacker lives here.
Whoa. All right, this definitely looks abandoned. Check this out, guys.
There's no furniture in there.
Yeah, it's totally empty.
And look how dusty the floors are. It just looks like it's been empty for a very long time. I'm actually gonna try the keys out here to see if we can get in. Oh, it's not even the right type of keys.
It's like old skeleton keys.
Yeah, we don't have those. These are like new keys. How old is this house?
Maybe there's another door or something.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look over here. Whoa. Look at that staircase in the back there.
We need to figure out how to get in there and get up those stairs.
The doorway looks really huge, like giants live here or something.
And look at the wallpaper over to the left over there. Whoa!
Whoa!
What was that?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, who is it? Is there anyone there? Wait, did you guys see anything? I like saw something in the window. Did you see something, Chad?
Yeah, I saw something move.
I saw someone right here in this window. You guys, comment down below if you saw something in the window. Let me know right now. That's really, really creepy.
Whoa! Look at this. Why is this chair moving?
That looks so scary. Gosh, I wish I had my ghost meter here. Is someone sitting on there? Is someone sitting on there right now? Oh my gosh, I don't want to walk by there.
I don't want to walk by it.
But I think you should go first, Chad.
I'm the brave one, aren't you?
No, you're not.
I'm gonna sneak by it really quietly.
Be careful, Chad. Watch out! Oh my god!
What the heck?
Why did that just move by itself? Are you trapped in there?
No. How did this close by itself?
I don't want to go in. What's in there?
Ooh, a door.
So I'm just gonna toss you the keys. Try it. Catch.
Wait. It's a padlock. It's a combination lock. It's more numbers again. I haven't found any other numbers, so I don't know what numbers to put in here.
Should we try that 1876 again, you guys? Let's try it. 1, 8, 7, 6.
There's one. No.
No.
Whoa, B, look at this.
Oh my god!
It's a hatch.
Chad, be very careful.
Oh, it's sealed somehow.
Here, let's try it.
There's 1, 2, 3. No, must be nailed down or something. Oh man, I wonder what's in there.
Trash.
There's a really old fridge. Nothing. Nope, nothing in here.
Is there anyone sitting on this chair?
Oh, it smells.
Oh, wonder if there's anyone sitting on this chair right now.
A ghost?
Yeah, it looks really creepy.
What's that door behind you?
There's no handle or anything.
Huh. I think we should go look in the windows and see if we can figure out a way to get in.
Oh my gosh, you guys, there's another house over there.
Whoa! That must be the abandoned house, not this one. That's where we're supposed to be.
Yeah, that's where, oh my gosh, let's go, let's go.
This has gotta be it.
Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. Safer route right here, just walking in. Another chair. I wish I had my ghost meter with me. Like, is someone sitting there?
This is definitely abandoned. The flooring is like falling apart. If you step on it, it's gonna break. Oh man, I hope we don't fall through the floor. Oh, it's really dusty in here.
Oh gosh.
Wow, this is definitely abandoned.
Hello?
Anybody in here?
Jones?
Mr. Jones?
HP?
Mr. Jones?
Oh my gosh. Be really careful.
Look at the walls, they're falling apart.
Oh.
Why is there hay in a house?
Yeah, it looks like a living room because of like the wallpaper.
Yeah.
But then there's like hay.
Is
Like, are there animals living here,
or is this their furniture? Wow.
what's this thing over here? Oh, do you think it's like the bathroom? Is that what people used in the 1876? Because it does kind of smell.
It's wet and musty. Ugh.
Ugh.
Do you think someone's been living here? I would sure hate to live here.
What is with all the chairs? Why are there just random chairs everywhere? I just feel really creepy when I see an empty chair. Oh,
A torn off headband.
I didn't know Jay was a girl. It's a pink headband.
Does it stand for Jenny then? Wait a second though, they said that they had a beard though. So it can't be a girl if they have a beard.
Oh, this is confusing. Well, we've been looking around here for like half an hour and haven't found anything. Let's just leave.
Let's get out of here. I don't think we're gonna find Jay in here. Whoa,
Jeez.
careful, baby.
Gosh, it's so slippery, these hay things.
Glad you landed in some soft hay though.
Gosh,
Jeez.
I'm slipping.
What are you doing?
Oh gosh, wait. What is this?
What is that?
They're like tally marks.
Whoa, and look, there's a J there.
What does this mean? Do you think it's been like days that this person's been here?
Yeah, a lot of times when you see these tally marks, someone's marking off how many days they've lived here.
Could be hours or it could be months. Was Jay sleeping here?
Yeah, whoever the J person was sleeping on the hay maybe?
I mean, I would sleep on here if I was living in here. Because it's actually nice and soft.
Yeah, there's nowhere else to sleep in here for sure. How did we not see this before? There's like a oven in or something. Whoa! What? Why is a CWC hat in here?
Oh my gosh, is it a fan?
So-
Is Jay a fan?
So whoever Jay is, they must have had a CWC hat. They have a beard. They've been living here for a number of days or hours.
This bottle actually looks like really new and fresh.
We must have just missed them.
Do you guys have an idea who it is? I mean, Jay, CWC hat, and a beard. Who could that be? Leave a comment down below if you know who Jay is. Okay, you guys, we are so close to solving this whole mystery and finding out who Jay is. We need your help, so make sure to keep on watching. I'm showing comments here for the viewers who show up the first hour every time I post a new video. Make sure to watch this video from Chad if you haven't seen that already. And check out this video here of us discovering this place. Make sure to subscribe to me if you haven't already. And follow me on Instagram at Qwaint. And make sure to subscribe to Chad also because he's awesome. And I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!